Complete the equation for the following fission process. The process given is 92 uranium 235 absorbing a neutron, finally giving strontium 3890 plus what is asked. Plus what is asked. So by the conservation of mass, if you see the options now, see you take the difference now. 92 minus 38 is around 54, correct? 54. Whatever the atom here fits in as 54. 54 xenon, and it should be 54 xenon. Then if you see here, it is 236, no? 236, 235 plus 1 total mass. That must also be conserved. So if you take it minus 90, if you make it minus 90, it will be 146. So 146 in total should be there here. 146 in total should be here, okay? If you look at the options, no option gives you 54 xenon 146. 145, 142, all those things you are getting. But 54 xenon 143 you are getting, plus 3 more neutrons you are getting. Plus you are getting 3 more neutrons. So strontium 90 and this is xenon 54. So this is what you are going to get. So looking at the options, option A is the answer which represents the proper nuclear fission reaction.